What's up, everybody? It's finally a nice day in Connecticut. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for the support. So today, I'm installing my fourth exhaust on the WRX. This one's a Gimmick Motorsports 3-inch V-band exhaust. It was cheap, about $245, so figured I'd give it a try. Let's unbox it. Out. Goodness, it's all stuck together. Comes with the gasket, bolts, and the V-band connection. Here's the rear section. And the mid-pipe. So first impressions, it's not bad. The mid-pipe has a regular 2-bolt flange for the downpipe side. Then it goes to a V-band that'll connect to the rear section. The welds are okay. I mean, it's all stainless. So, you know, could use a little bit of mother's polish, but it looks pretty good. Alright, let's pull the car in, get this old exhaust off, and get the new one on. So my current exhaust that I'm taking off is an Invidia N1 race exhaust. I actually really love this exhaust. It sounds great. I'll put a link to the video that I did and how it sounds. You can check it out. But yeah, I'm just a weirdo and I like to try different catbacks. I don't know what else to say. Let's drop this one. Oh, there it goes. Okay. I put the cardboard down. There it is. So this is the plan I have worked up in my head. Since it's a V-band connection from the mid-pipe to the axle back, I'm going to run the regular Gimmick muffler most days when I'm daily driving. But then, to hoon around, I think I'm going to have a straight pipe welded up with a V-band connection so I could switch it on easily with no gaskets needed. That's my plan anyways. I've never actually used a V-band before. It's my first time. Okay, let's get this muffler on. Alright guys, I'm going to do a normal acceleration from first gear with the window down. guys, moderate acceleration starting in 3rd gear at 3,000 RPMs. Windows up. Harder acceleration, still windows up, 3rd gear. Good Lord, this car is fast. Oh man, after not driving it for a while, it feels like a rocket. So overall, I really like this exhaust. For $245, you can't beat it. It's all stainless steel, so the quality is good. The fitment could be better, but I think I finally got it to where there's no exhaust leaks or rubbing or anything like that. The drone is, well, there isn't really any drone, especially on the highway. You could control it. It's quiet when you want it to be, and when you want to go wide open throttle, it really opens up and it sounds good. So, I would recommend this. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe, hit the little bell, and I will see you next time. Take it easy.